Gavana wa kaunti ya Embu Mbarire uwete utia bisa wagima wa kaunti ukairo wete thia na mbere biashara cia weo mayango ya thirikari akikwathira bakaritangwe kuringana na mathaira ya kwendeka bubu yete ore kaunti no kwethirite kwinoni upo maabisa bo tungata bogima bo mwiri Mbarire akiwa atiko kaita ka miaka 5 kutethirite kwenda wandikani bo kuhira twanya twantu barabethirite bakiumuka no ntubo okuru ikuo kana kinyito mibingi ritamaniko mushiri ena shukuma kaunti ya Embu.
Marigitari aria mari na thibitari ciao kiumbe timakorwa makiamurithwo kuivinga ati tondu marutaga wira thiini wa mathibitari ngurani ma mwingi thiini wa kaunti ya Embu. Ino ni bata marigitari acio makorwe matitiraga wira mathibitari ma thirikari ati niguo makarute wira wao kiumbe. Ino ni miario ya gavana wa kaunti ya Embu ni Mbarire varia augite marigitari onthe mari na rotha rwa kuruta wira kuria kuonthe marenda riria matari wira thibitari cia mwingi.
No problem with a doctor who goes in a private hospital when you're not supposed to be at work. If it's your off day, I will not fight with you that you went to make some extra coin in a clinic or a private hospital. But if you're supposed to be in the hospital on a particular day for this number of hours, I'm just asking that you give me that. If you do that, I really don't care where else you go.
Guku akiuga thirikari yake ni gukorwa ikiongera marigitari makirie kuria marendekana niguo mavote kuvesana utungata mwega kuri ekari akaunti ya Embu.
When I've had that 205 nurses have retired in the last 5 years, they have never been replaced. I can't understand why. So we will work closely with the chief nursing officer for the county. Let's know if we are replacing, which skills do we need? What kind of nurses are we looking for?
Wa uguo ni urenda wigiririki thiini wa gutumira ndawa na indo cingi cia thibitari niguo arwaru onthe mavote kugunika.
Give them what they have asked for. Don't give them what they don't need. Like we had a case at Kianjokoma where the drugs they received were drugs they didn't need. Those drugs were needed at level 4 or level 5. So let's give people what they request for, so that we don't have issues of, there are drugs but they cannot be used in a particular facility.
Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu, mbitagwa Rita Mwaniki wa Musiri.